Hello everyone, myself Miss Manisha Naik. I am going to teach you the paper Industrial Chemistry, the paper number 16. From this paper I am going to teach you the unit first, that is sugar industry. Before starting this chapter, let us come to know about the syllabus that we are going to study in this chapter. First one is introduction. Second one, manufacture of cane sugar. That is, in that we are going to study extraction of juice, clarification, concentration, crystallization, centrifugation, industrial process. The second point is byproducts of sugar industry, and the next point is manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses. The process we are going to use is by fermentation. Okay, so let us start for the first point, that is introduction. In introduction, we come to know that sugar is also known as a sucrose. Everyone is familiar with the sugar. We make a tea, sharbat, number of things we use the sugar. Second, that sugar is produced from sugarcane plus beetroot. Next one is the sugarcane height is from 10 to 15 feet. The crop comes from 12 to 20 months, which required for new planting. Sugar bowl in India is the Uttar Pradesh. Remember that in India, Uttar Pradesh is known as the sugar bowl. Maharashtra produces 60 lakh of tons. That is 13 per m3. Okay. So let us study the main point of this chapter, that is manufacture of cane sugar in India. In this we are going to study extraction of juice. Okay. Let us start. Before extraction of juice, cane is washed. Why it is washed? To remove mud, dirt and any other unwanted particles which are present on cane. After washing, it is cut into number of pieces. After cutting, it is passed into the chips, that is a milling train, which contains 2 rolled crusher and used in 3 mills, that is 3 to 4 series. Remember, first it is washed, the dust is removed, then cut into pieces and then passed into chips milling train. After passing, the mill is considered, see the structure of mill. It has 3 horizontal rollers which is arranged in a triangular pattern. Okay. The work of the roller is that top roller always rotate while bottom roller always remains stationary. In mill, vibrating porous is fitted. It is fitted below crusher and first mill. What is the work of the vibrating porous? It filters the cane juice. Filter means it removes the unwanted material present in juice. It has pans. The pans are below 3, 2nd, 3rd, 4th mill. Under this 2nd, 3rd and 4th mill, there is no porous present. After that, raw juice which is present, that raw juice is passed in boiling house. In crusher, it takes out 60 to 70% of juice from chips. Remember, raw juice is passed in boiling house. After that, crusher takes out 60 to 70% of juice from chips. The bagasse work, what is the work of bagasse? Bagasse work is present in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th mills. It extracts rest juice. Bagasse extracts rest juice. Crusher extracts 60 to 70% of chips juice. The one important thing is milling, that is juice from bagasse increases the difficulty. As milling goes on succeeding, juice from bagasse, due to that the difficulty increases. To remove this difficulty, the compound imbition technique is used. In this, hot water is sprayed on bagasse from 3rd mill. Remember, from 3rd mill hot water is sprayed. After that, dilute juice from 4th mill is sprayed on 2nd and 3rd mill. From 3rd mill, juice is sprayed on 1st and 2nd mill, and from 2nd mill, juice is sprayed on bagasse. These are the 4 steps in compound imbition technique to remove the difficulties arise. The second point is clarification of juice, which we are going to study in manufacture of cane sugar. What is meant by clarification? It is a process which removes impurities from juice cane. Remember, it removes impurities. Extraction is different, clarification is different. The cane juice in mill house contains water about 78.86%. Sucrose present in cane juice is 10 to 20%. Organic matter is 0.5 to 1%. The reducing sugar is 0.5 to 2.5%. And ash present in cane juice is 0.3.77%. These are the impurities which are present in juice. For this, we are going to use the process clarification. Also, the juice contains pith, fiber, colloidal matter. The juice which is extracted has acidic, opaque, greenish liquid. Also, it contains soluble, means which dissolve impurities like glucose, gums, okay, while it also contains insoluble impurities like fiber, mud and pith. To remove, live defecation process is used. Remember, to remove these impurities, live defecation process is used. In this, the extracted juice, which is freshly extracted juice, has the pH 5.1 to 5.7. How the pH is increased of this extracted juice? To increase the pH, milk of lime is added to that extracted juice. The milk of, when we add a milk of lime, it decreases the rate of sucrose. How it decreases the rate of sucrose? By hydrolysis process. By hydrolysis process, it decreases the rate of sucrose. Also, it takes out PPT of soluble acids, phosphates and insoluble calcium salts. Before this point, we have studied that soluble impurities and insoluble impurities are also present. In the same way, it precipitates soluble acids, phosphates and removes insoluble calcium salt. Okay. The next one is coagulate. What does it coagulate? That is colloidal particle in the form of removed clay fiber. Okay. It means collects the particles in the form of clay. In that, phosphate level raise. How much? By 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Remember, the phosphate level raise. How it raises? By adding phosphoric acid to it. We have added a lime juice to increase the pH. At that time, the lime juice heats, means it boils about 33 Kelvin in juice heater. Two types of juice are prepared, that is cold juice and high juice, which both flow in opposite direction. Okay. As we go on heating, the rapid coagulation of colloidal particles takes place. Means they come together and they settle. Means it is known as setting process. There are two types, cold juice and high juice. Okay. In that, hot juice is sent to a tanker. It clarifies, and hot limed juice is sent to a 3-layer clarifiers. In that, top layer is fiber particle is present. In bottom layer, mud particles are present, and in middle layer, the clear juice is present of cane, which is drained out of a pipe. If there are some particles present in juice, mud and scum is washed away with the filter. Okay, we have studied the manufacture of cane sugar in India. In this, we have studied extraction and clarification. These are the 2 points. The next point is concentration of juice to syrup. We are going to study this point in next lecture. Thank you.